Hello, everyone. Welcome to another AI Talks. It's been a while. I hope everyone is doing well. Right, so today we're going to indulge in a bit of AI games or AI related games. And so before we start, as a software engineer, having this bright white color is blinding. And I'm sure a lot of us or a lot of you guys would be more used to dark mode. So I want to show you a quick little hack. I've been learning about web development lately. And so I'm just going to show you what we can do to temporarily deal with this, right? So we want to go to, this is a simple website. So we don't have the option to choose that we want dark mode. And so we go to inspect. So here, this is the code for the website, right? So if you want to change the background color, this will be the body of the website. And so we just go click on body. And here you can see the background color is this. Okay, so we click here and we choose what we want our background color to be like. And of course, this is not permanent change, this is temporary change. And so I think we can do something like this. It's much better. It's not very bright anymore. And so we can close. If we refresh the page, it's going to go back to being white. But if we continue interacting here, I don't think it'll change. And so let's play this game. So usually what beats a rock? Paper. This is the standard answer. But I want to try and see if we can change that answer. Let's say hmm, ship. It beats the rock. Yeah. See? Uh-huh. Oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, true, true. Okay, then it's still there. You can see the color. So next, what beats a ship? Iceberg. So the funny thing about this, right? So if we're gonna program a game like this, we can say, okay, so the accepted answer for rock would be this, this, and that. But see, because this is an AI, it can actually understand the words and it's able to come up with responses that are considering the context of the words that I write, right? So let's see if it's going to understand this. It's going to see, yeah. So it does understand. Right, right. So let's see what beats this. Volcano, because uh, fire. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Uh-huh. Um, what beats a volcano? I think tsunami, right? Huh. See? Okay, so what beats a tsunami? Um, um, zombies? Okay, I'm thinking about that game. Let's see if it's gonna really. Oh yes, exactly. Yeah, they won't die. Okay, so what beats a zombie? I haven't watched enough shows to understand like what beats them. Um, you eat they eat people's brains, right? And then they convert to zombies. But what um I don't know. Is that how you spell it? Let's see. No? Oh. Oh. Okay. Sure. So what beats a bazooka? And it's even trying to come up with emojis that match the word, even though technically this is not. But it's firepower. What beats a bazooka? Uh, uh, I guess this is getting out of hand. Yeah. Okay. Mm, this is concerning a bit. Let's see. I want to see. Oh, really? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, yeah, I lost. Makes sense. All right, this is interesting. And the best part is our background is still dark. Hmm. Okay, so this was the first game. Maybe I can try more rounds next time. But now I want to try a different game. Okay? Okay. So I've played similar games like this and I quite enjoy it. It's like an interesting challenge for someone who is used to dealing with AI a lot, building AI. So it is a skill that I need to be able to tell if it's AI or not. And so let's challenge myself. Hmm, let's see. I think I would love this because lately I have been coming up with a lot of recipes, and sometimes I would negotiate my recipes with AI to like calculate ratios, to calculate micros and whatnot, maybe replacements for ingredients that I don't have. And also, I have built a chatbot that, like an AI that gives recipes for their users. And so I think this is an interesting category for me. Let's start. So we would be figuring out if this is a human or AI. Okay, 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 okay. Hmm. Okay, so I think oh, one of the things about AI is, of course, punctuation, consistency, and things like that. But at the same time, for me as a person, oh, you see, there's a typo there. This is either a bait so that they make us think, oh, AI doesn't make spelling mistakes, but sometimes it does. Very rarely, though. So this could be a human because of this. Although, as I was saying, as a human, I tend to make very organized lists. Like if I'm gonna write something like this, I might like make this bold, put this in a new like sentence. I mean, yeah, new sentence here, no, new line, and then like maybe number them and have the same format for everything. So if I'm gonna use grams, I'm gonna use grams for all of them. If I'm gonna use, in brackets, I'm gonna put brackets for all of them. So to make it easy to read and easy to follow. So this is a little bit messy for my taste. um, this is giving human, not gonna lie. Like to write something and then comma and then a word. This I sometimes do that too. And because of this, I'm thinking it might be a human as well. Wait, your task design at what point? Because it's saying human written prompt. What am I? Oh, so wait, let me read this. Your task is to decide at what point, if at all, the text you see begins to be written by a computer. Please click the blue button as soon as you're confident. Don't be surprised if so. Oh. Whoa. Okay, so, huh. I think this has human involved for sure. It's all human written so far. Let's just go with that. Oh, I have to keep guessing? Oh, heat the oil in a lar. Yeah, no, no human is gonna write that. Uh, let's see. Oh, oh, interesting, interesting. Okay, this if I see it like this, then this is a human. Like we like to like write it in short. This is like a full sentence. I don't know. It threw me off a bit. Okay, now I get it. Now I understand. Okay, okay, okay. This was a warm up to get used to it to understand the concept. Okay. Is it forming written? Okay. Uh, small caps, all small caps. Yeah. Mm, no full stops, no dots here. So far it looks like it's written by a human. Definitely. This one? Why would a human use this? Uh, I think it's just, yeah. Oh, okay, okay. I see, I see, I see. So here, humans are superior Gotcha. Why is this so plain? Like here you have measurements, here no measurement. Humans do that though, like when you see recipes on TikTok, like they sometimes just say, "Oh, add vanilla, add this," and they show you like how much they pour, but they don't put the, measurements. So, but then this compared to all of this, it's different. So, so far, like the how to make being like capitalized, and then the title here, and I think all of them. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm so silly. It's already telling me, yeah. So all of this is human written. So whatever here that is inconsistent with this technically should be generated by a machine, right? But I feel like mm, all of them so far have been like having the generate machine generated ones down there, not up here. And so that's the only reason why I'm gonna go like this. Oh, so wait, is this an instruction? Oh my God. Maybe that's why. Okay. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Instruction. Yeah. Yeah. I think my brain is a little bit fried. Mm-hmm. Right. Uh-huh. Okay. Let's see. I want to see all of them and then decide. I don't want to decide after I see like I want to see the rest. Okay. Last time I said this is not like we humans don't use this symbol much, but it turned out to be a human, so I'm just gonna go with it. Mm-hmm. Um, Adding a comment between brackets, yeah, it's a human thing, I think. I'm hoping. With finger. Yeah, no, this is a machine. Yeah, let's just say that I don't care. Is it correct? Um, Too weird. Oh my God. I caught it here. Well, at least I finally caught it. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. Yeah. This this caught me off guard. I'm like, what is this? What is happening? But yeah, I think I am learning as I'm doing this. So I think if I play more, I'm going to be able to catch them in like because the rules that are applied here, like how the AI is, behaving in these is different from what I'm used to seeing them as, I guess. And so that's why I think, yeah, it took me a few times to actually be able to catch it. I said this is a human thing, but the sentence itself is a little bit weird. This is just like this one with finger. I'm like, no, that's not something a human would say. Like touching center with finger, with your finger, you know? Anyways, I think that's definitely enough for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you would like to see more of this, please make sure to support the channel and make sure to share it with people who are interested to learn more about AI because that is the aim of the channel to help people understand more about AI in fun ways like this. Yeah, thank you so much and goodbye.